हेलो किड्स, आज हम सुपर चाइल्ड में सीखेंगे अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. So, adjectives are describing words that tell us about color, sound, feel, amount, behavior and size. Types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality of noun. It answers the question of what kind. For example, Shreya is an intelligent girl. Intelligent is the adjective. A red apple. Red is the adjective. Adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity describes the nouns that cannot be measured. It answers the question, how much? For example, there are many mangoes in the basket. Many is the adjective. Here are some caps. Some is the adjective. Adjective of number. An adjective of number describes the nouns that can be measured. It answers the question, how many? For example, February is the second month. Second is the adjective. There are 3 flowers. 3 is the adjective. Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective answers the question which. For example, those are my shoes. Those is the adjective. Ankit is eating that apple. That is the adjective. Interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective asks the questions about the noun. For example, who is driving that car? Who is the adjective. What color is this flower? What is the adjective. वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल सुपर चाइल्ड को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.